In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a histogram using Excel's data analysis ToolPak version. The first thing I did was I found the summary statistics on the column I wish to work with, which is the close column, and that gave me the range of values, the minimum and the maximum, so I could create the bins that I want to use, the class intervals, and the Excel histogram uses the top value. So this is the upper value of the bin. So I want to make sure that I include all the values. So the maximum, I have it set at 150 so that I include that. And I made all of my bins pretty much equal size because it's really not going to go below 105 because my minimum's 107. So now that I have that pre-work done, I go into the data analysis, scroll down to histogram, select OK, get my input range, which is all of my close values, and I want to include the close this time because that'll be my header. Now I just scrolled down to it. There are other ways to do it. I have labels, so I'm going to select my bin range. Might as well select the word bin. Now I like to keep everything on the same worksheet, so that's why I have a fairly clean worksheet. So I'm going to set my output range onto here. I'm going to put it here so most of it will show up. I'll move it afterwards. I don't want it sorted. I don't want the cumulative percentage, but I do like seeing the chart, the frequency distribution chart. So now I'll click OK. And it did overwrite my okay, anyway. So here we have my bin. Let me slide this down a little. So we see we have nothing and more, so we can actually delete that, and that'll remove it from my histogram. And the histogram's a little small, so I'm going to make it bigger. That certainly made it bigger. And we can do all of our chart type, chart elements, formatting, colors, and other things that we want to do. But here's our nice frequency. And in fact, I probably should have named the bin close instead of bin. And again, close. So all we have to do sometimes is click on it. So we see that there's no values in the 125 bin, which is kind of interesting. But that's how you create a histogram in Excel using the Data Analysis ToolPak.